China just launched DeepSeek R1, a powerful AI tool shaking the world of technology, a direct challenge to OpenAI. This sudden move sent shockwaves through the industry. Within hours, a storm hit the US stock market, wiping out over $1 trillion in value. Meta, Oracle, and Alphabet struggled to hold their ground as their stock prices tumbled. But the hardest hit? A tech giant, known for powering the AI revolution, faced a collapse so severe that it rewrote history. A single-day loss unlike anything seen before. People panicked because DeepSeek R1 was said to be built for just $6 million. This is much less than the billions of dollars companies like OpenAI spend to create advanced AI models. Many started asking big questions. How did China make such a powerful AI so cheaply? Did they find a secret way to avoid US bans on high-tech AI chips like Nvidia's H100 GPUs? Did they invent their own super powerful chips? Or was this $6 million claim just an exaggeration to grab attention? At first, it seemed shocking that DeepSeek R1 was built for just $6 million. But a closer look shows this claim is very misleading. AI training is not as simple as one number. It includes computing power, infrastructure, and ongoing improvements. The real cost of building powerful AI models is much higher. Dario Amodei, co-founder of Anthropic, openly questioned DeepSeek's claim, saying that even older AI models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet cost tens of millions of dollars to develop. If an older AI needed so much money, how could DeepSeek R1 be so cheap? In reality, training AI is extremely expensive. Experts estimate that GPT-4 cost over $100 million to train, and Meta's Llama 2 also required a massive investment. Even other AI labs spend millions just to improve their existing models. So, where did the $6 million number come from? Most likely, this is only part of the cost, not the total amount spent on development. AI companies often break training into different stages, so the real expenses could be much higher. This raises an important question. Was DeepSeek truly a breakthrough? Or was this just a marketing trick to create hype? Many believed that DeepSeek R1 was developed for just $6 million, but the truth is much bigger. The real investment made by DeepSeek goes far beyond what was first reported. New reports reveal that the company had access to 50,000 Nvidia Hopper GPUs, some of the most powerful AI chips available. This means that their compute infrastructure alone is worth nearly $1 billion, far more than what they claimed. These H100 AI chips are highly advanced and are used by the biggest AI companies in the world. Each chip costs between $20,000 and $40,000, depending on the market. Even at the lowest price, DeepSeek's total hardware investment is massive. If we calculate the cost of 50,000 GPUs at the lowest price of $20,000 each, that alone would be $1 billion. For comparison, US AI giants like OpenAI and Anthropic use similar or slightly larger GPU clusters to train their models. This means that DeepSeek is not operating on a small budget. They have billions of dollars worth of computing power, just like the biggest AI labs in the world. So, why did they claim it only cost $6 million? The answer is simple: marketing. The real investment behind DeepSeek R1 is much bigger than what was publicly revealed. Their access to thousands of high-end Nvidia GPUs, worth nearly $1 billion, proves that their spending is on par with major US AI companies. The $6 million claim was likely a way to grab headlines and create hype, making it seem like China had cracked the secret to building powerful AI at a fraction of the cost. However, the real breakthrough wasn't DeepSeek R1, it was DeepSeek V3, launched a month earlier. While R1 got all the attention, V3 was the actual leap forward in AI technology. It introduced key-value cache management, allowing the AI to process much longer inputs without losing performance. Another major improvement was the mixture of experts, MOE, optimization, which made the AI much faster and more efficient. Instead of bringing something revolutionary, R1 was just an upgraded version of V3 with reinforcement learning, a method already used by most AI companies. Yet, the media focused on R1, leading to misunderstandings, stock market chaos, and overhyped expectations. One of its most important upgrades was advanced key-value cache management, which helped the model handle long pieces of information without slowing down. This means the AI could remember and process more data at once, making it much more efficient. Another major improvement was mixture of experts MOE optimization, a technique that made AI responses faster and reduced computing costs. On the other hand, DeepSeek R1 was just a small update built on top of V3. It added reinforcement learning, a method already used by most AI companies. It didn't bring any groundbreaking advancements, but because it was marketed in an exciting way, many people believed it was a massive step forward. The problem started when investors and analysts misunderstood the situation. They focused on R1 instead of V3, which led to huge overreactions in the stock market. Tech companies lost billions, and Nvidia saw its stock crash by $600 billion in a single day. This shows how AI hype can sometimes be misleading. DeepSeek made real progress, but the biggest innovation was hidden behind all the excitement about R1. Instead of creating something new, they simply improved an existing model and turned it into a major marketing success. DeepSeek has made impressive progress, but it hasn't completely changed how AI is built and funded. The AI industry is still ruled by companies with the most computing power and money. Right now, any lab with enough funding can create a powerful AI model. But the future of AI will require even bigger investments. As AI becomes more advanced, only the companies with the largest GPU clusters and deepest pockets will stay ahead. One major issue in AI today is market instability. Every time a new breakthrough is announced, stock prices either rise quickly or drop suddenly. Investors react based on hype rather than facts, leading to huge financial swings. The DeepSeek R1 announcement is a perfect example of this. When people heard that a strong AI model was trained for just $6 million, they assumed AI had suddenly become much cheaper. This led to massive stock sell-offs, especially in companies like Nvidia, Meta, and Alphabet. But in reality, the true cost of AI development is still in the billions. This pattern keeps repeating in AI. Exciting news spreads fast, but not every claim is completely true. DeepSeek's AI was a step forward, but not a revolution. The companies that truly shape the future of AI are the ones that own the most advanced technology and computing resources, not just those that make the biggest headlines. DeepSeek did not build a ChatGPT-level AI for just $6 million. The real cost is hidden in its massive hardware investments. Reports show that DeepSeek had access to 50,000 Nvidia GPUs, worth nearly $1 billion. This means their AI was not trained on a small budget, but on one of the biggest computing infrastructures in the world. While DeepSeek 5.3 made real improvements in efficiency, the later DeepSeek R1 was mostly a marketing move. It did not introduce any groundbreaking AI technology, yet it was presented as a major breakthrough. The truth is, AI development is still controlled by the companies with the most powerful computers and the most money. As AI grows, the competition will once again favor those with the largest data centers and deepest funding. So, did DeepSeek truly change AI? Or was this just another overhyped story? Many people believed the $6 million claim, but the reality is much different. AI breakthroughs take billions of dollars and huge infrastructure investments. What do you think? Was this a real revolution or just smart marketing? Let us know your thoughts. And if you want to learn more, check out the recommended video on your screen.